Alright, hey YouTube. I'll be showing you guys how to get Inspect Element on Safari. So let's get into it. Alright, well as you can see, I haven't got Inspect Element yet, but I'll show you in a minute how to get it. Alright, so what you wanna do is go to Safari, go to Preferences, and you don't need to touch any of these. All you need to do is go to Advanced and go to Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. And then you get out of this, and as you can see, it's all here. You can mess around with these later, but you don't need to mess around with them now. And bang, you already got it. Inspect element, and I'll show you what you can do with it. You can change stuff, change grades. Here, I'll show you what you can do. Edit. You can... Whoa. You can just write hello, and bang, automatically changes. There is no Google. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe, like, and share. Peace.